Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today. And that is for some shoes I bought from Bull Airs. Here's the shipping container. And there's the label from Tom Bullman from Bull Airs in New York. There's my name, Darren Barada. And look at that, that's pretty cool. It's got the packing tape is has the Bull Airs logo on it, so you know it's official, and it hasn't been broken or anything like that. That's pretty cool. I didn't get that on my other packages from Bull Airs when I bought shirts, but I guess I didn't really need it. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so look at this box, you guys. It's like so these are the Ghostbusters Firehouse Nikes. Look at this box, you guys. It's like plastic, and it looks like the container that the Ghostbusters trap ghosts in. I can't think of the name of it right now. But there's the side, bullairs.com and at bullairs. The other side, some information there. I don't know what that is, but Bullairs logo with the ghost. And this side, oh, I see. Okay, so this is like if you hang it. Oh, like a toy or something. Like as if they were, if these shoes were a toy. Ages 3 and up, collective footwear. Guys, I'm sorry for the zoomed in logo angle here with the phone, but it's kind of the best I can do right now. Bullairs, bullairs.com. And size 7, normal. Bull Airs with the Bull Airs Ghostbusters logo. bullairs.com. So actually, I got a shirt from bullairs.com I ordered that has this logo, and I really didn't like it. I can talk more about that later. Oh, here's the back. So Bull Airs, some copyright information on bullairs.com. In the back of the flap, same information as the front. Okay, so let's open these. Okay, so they look a little different than what I thought they'd look like. Oh, God, I hope these really are size 7. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Wow, so these actually... Oh, what's going on with that? So this is not good. So I'll just say right now, these are custom. They make only 50 of these across all sizes. These were $450. I paid $400 because I found a coupon code for 10% off. Or $405. These don't look like how they were supposed to look. So here, this logo, actually, this looks terrible here. This does not look good. There was like a Velcro, and you were supposed to be able to put different patches on that. I have to call them up. That's not good. The outsole here was supposed to be like a really beautiful neon green, and it's just like a green. I mean, it's like a yellow green. I don't know, like Mountain Dew color. That's not good either. These look small too. These look incredibly small. So these don't look anything like what they were supposed to look like. Here is how it's all frayed there. It's not supposed to be. That's not how it looked on the picture. These are glossy. That doesn't bother me, but that's not what they were. They looked matte, and they also looked a different color. I actually prefer this color, but it had green, like a dark green on the picture. I don't know what this was. Okay, so there's this little detail here, which is pretty cool. It's like a hose. Then they have this. Yeah, this is not good. But anyway, okay, so inside, wow, the cushioning here is fantastic. Like right here, right where the ankle would be. Look how thick that is. And inside, there's a styrofoam. And then inside, I'm not going to pull it out because I don't know if that'll damage it or not. But there looks like there's a design on the inside for the sole. You can kind of see it, you guys. I can see it. There you go, kind of. This Bull Airs logo. And then it looks like there's the trap, like the ghost trap. You see that there? That's cool. I don't know what else it looks like. Oh, okay, so there's like, it's a Ghostbuster from the movies, but I can't see who it is. But it looks like they're covered in Slimer goo. That's pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, this is disappointing. Not even without the Velcro part. That just looks terrible. Look how awful that looks. There's the back. The bottom. Yeah, the bottom is a disappointing green. This looks almost nothing like how it was advertised. I do like the color, though. That's nice. I like this part. Look at the other side. Pretty much the same thing. Identical. Oh, here you go. Look at that. Damage on here. So it's supposed to... This side's fine. Because the way they packed it, they probably put it in... Well, however they put it in. This side's fine, but... Well, no, actually... On the right shoe, you can see some... That's bent right there. Man, come on, you guys. You can tell how they shipped it, too. They just kind of threw it in a box. Same thing on the left shoe. It's kind of... It's low-quality design here. Yeah, I would, considering these are $100 more than the Sewer Stompers, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle version of these, I would expect better quality and fulfilling the promise. See if the inside here is the same. Probably the same. But I don't know if it'd be the same Ghostbuster. It's just hard to see, you guys. I'm not getting much sunlight in my room here, and regardless, it's just hard to see. I really don't want to be pulling anything out. Unless it's easy to... Well, actually... Okay, it's not hard. I thought it was glued in, but it's not. Oh, yeah, so it's... Jeez, I can't think of the character, but... Yeah, it's a Ghostbuster. That's pretty cool. See, that actually looks great. Padding is nice. Nice. The outer part colors are good, but yeah, this is not good. Man, I knew this was a big risk considering how expensive these shoes were, and I'd never heard of Bull Airs before. But when I had done my previous video that I deleted because it was kind of a dumb video, but I told you guys I was expecting a shirt with the items that I bought. Well, it turns out I spoke to someone from Bull Airs on Facebook, and you have to order. You get a code to order the shirt, but you have to pay shipping. But I had ordered that shirt with the other shirt just so I could save on shipping. So it defeated the purpose. So I'm not wearing those shirts. And also I got charged $13, I'm rounding up, for shipping for these. For something this expensive, for something supposed to be rare, and I would consider this a luxury item, it should be complimentary shipping. That's part of the presentation. You guys know when I buy something from Tom Ford or Nordstrom, it's free shipping. That's part of the experience. So yeah, this is not good. I guess you guys, so that was my unboxing of these shoes. I'm sorry, I'm struggling to get the sole back in there. But I will reach out to Bull Airs probably via Facebook or phone or whatever and let them know this is definitely not how these were advertised. Actually, if I can figure out how, I know I don't really edit my edit my videos at all. But if I could upload a picture for you guys to see what these were advertised as. I was kind of hoping it would have that little Velcro part too, because they even say you can switch out patches, because on the Ninja Turtles ones, you can change the colors of the Nike swoosh that represent the different colors of the bandanas and stuff that the Ninja Turtles wear. They didn't say it on this, just like right here. Yeah. These look incredibly small. I'm going to try them on real quick. Okay, so I'm going to try them on using these no-show socks that I wear to the office when I wear dress shoes. These are really, really thin, so I'm going to give these the benefit of the doubt. Actually, let's see. Let's just watch me do it. So here's the right shoe. Now again, I wear size 7. I ordered these size 7. Yeah, they're a little tight. Even with these really, really, really thin socks. Man, the graphic is such a disappointment here. This logo here. It's so bad. It's so terrible. It just looks like something you'd get from a really low grade or like really inexpensive shoe. Yeah, otherwise it's cool. You know, it's not too bad, but the light green here is a huge disappointment. The messed up, why they shipped this the way they did. Look at that. See the damage there. Trying to get the focus, but in the way it just looped, it doesn't stick out. Yeah. Yeah, the fit's a little, it's pretty tight. Anyway, you guys, that was my unboxing of the Firehouse Bull Airs Ghostbusters shoes. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.